Welcome to another how-to video, how to join Alliance in Whiteout Survival. Today, let me teach you on how you can join Alliance in Whiteout Survival. So let's begin by opening Whiteout Survival. First, click Alliance at the bottom of your screen, beside the World tab. While you are in the Alliance tab, you can choose any alliance you want to join. Remember, not all alliances can be formed quickly. There are alliances that you need to apply for and review your stats. And there are alliances that you can join automatically. You just have to choose which one to join. That's it. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.